Hello guys and welcome to another video. Today we have here my 33SW and after a long time on the detailer we have here some issues. Nothing to worry about too much here on the brakes, on the rear brakes. As I was driving home, the shoes on the other side, the shoes of the brakes came off. Okay, and I have to redo the cylinders, the brakes, so the brake shoes, the brake lines, and I was to do that anyway, so now it is really time to do it. And on this side is leaking. Videos for brakes for 33 will be available on the channel very soon. So here, as you can see, the car has a little bit of dust, not very visible on camera, but it is here. So it was a complete dust off of here of the paint job. So in this way you have a very clean car. The interior of the car, some places were cleaned out, were washed 6 times, so it is really nice right now. The smell is completely gone, the bad smell that it had. The upholstery is very good. The ceiling is, as you know, starting to sag off, but it is truly magnificent now. I have to do some carpets over here, so carpet set, and over here I have to get one of these. On the other side, the window regulator button, it is already fixed. I do have videos for that. Okay, here I will take advantage of this to put the original wheels on. They are already done, also with new tires, 5 new tires. And over here also I asked for a very good detail, and so it was done. As you can see, if you want to see videos for this, they are down in the description. Okay, also here for the cooling system I will do the timing belts, plural, and the water pump too, and I do have videos coming up for that very soon. Okay, so in this way I hope you like this journey on this car. Right now it was to be scrapped and now it is here almost ready to go. I did develop here a exhaust leak, and for that I have to see where it is exactly, so I can decide if I replace that area of the exhaust or just plug it up. Okay, so let's see what's what. Qual? Está em cima do carro, em cima do... a torre do amortecedor. So guys, as you can see, it is a very cold morning here in January 2025. I did already send there the Alfa 33 to the exhaust shop to be repaired, because some of the skills and materials and tools required for that, I do not have them. And I noticed, unfortunately, well, I really thought that at the beginning that the ruptured hose had to have some consequence to it. And of course it had. The engine is overheating badly. But it is very odd, because sometimes it goes to normal temperature in the heartbeat. So my idea here is it is clogged somewhere, or in several places. We know that the heater core is clogged, and the return line also, I did check that yesterday, it is clogged. And for that, the radiator for the engine, it possibly is kind of clogged too. So I will do a general check over on that area. I already did videos for this situation on the Alfa 75. It is down on the description on the playlist for cooling systems, okay? So it is the same thing. If I encountered anything to be relevant to speak of, I will show you that. Videos for the disassembling of the front of the car to do the timing belt and that way the radiator, they are down on the description, so you can check how it's done, okay? So in this way, I believe the main thing is done. The car is ready, the car is roadworthy. The new tires, new rims, including the spare one, a really good general clean over and polish was done. Everything works very well. The new steering wheel is already here. The old one is actually already sold, and the smell is coming back again. Okay, I also did the brakes, as you could saw. They are working very well, and just the timing belts, water pump and the cooling system to go. And I believe that in that way I will be able to save this engine. If the engine still overheats, I have to rebuild it, another one to rebuild. And I did not want that. I just wanted to enjoy it. I wanted to use the car every day. It's getting difficult to do so, because like I said on the other video of this car, if maintenance was properly done, all of this was unnecessary. All of this. It's just boggles my mind, how can we discard something so simple as maintenance, and years later the next guy, like me, is the one to pay the bill. Well, at least it's here, not for parts. So guys, as you can see, we have a lot of work here. Sorry about the sun, okay? We have a lot of work. It is very early in the morning. I have a long day. I'm doing about 14 to 16 hour days working. I have two helpers with me, and still I have a lot of work to be done. Thankfully, my idea with YouTube to push forward with this idea is paying off, okay? Not for YouTube itself, because the payments are almost not existent, and but okay, I was able to open this workshop with this idea, with these videos of YouTube, okay? I hope you are able to stay with me. I hope you are liking things that I'm doing over here. Most of the work that I'm not recording, it is because it is already on the channel, but do not worry, I have a lot to come. I have most of the times about 8 to 9 months worth of videos already done, edited and ready to go once every Saturday, and sometimes Wednesdays, okay? I see you next time, guys. Bye. Yeah, that's not good. This is for lack of maintenance.